Over here, you can see that I am logged into Teams and I am currently logged in on the web version right here. So you can see that I'm in full screen and that is why you don't see the top, but this is the web version. So if you want to install out Microsoft Teams on your desktop, then all you need to do is, while you're logged in, go onto the bottom left and you see this down arrow right here. You can click on download desktop app just like this, and then what happens is that it downloads an installer file right here. So you can see that the Explorer window opens up. So you can go around and select out where you want to save it. So I'm just going to go around and save it, and you can see that it downloads an installer file right here. So at the time of this recording, the file size is 121 MB right here, and depending on your internet connection speed, it may take a while. So once it completes downloading, you can start installing it. So I'm just going to go around and skip the video to the part where the download has been completed. And now the download has been completed. And now in order to install it, you can click on the downloaded file right here, and it opens up the installer as you can see right here. So it's loading the installer on my computer, and as the installer loads up, I can go around and start installing Microsoft Teams. So it says it's installing Microsoft Teams right here. So let me just go around and minimize out my browser right here so that you can see this. So I did download Microsoft Teams installer file to the desktop, and that is why you see it right here. So it's loading in the Microsoft Teams right here. It has completed installing, and this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So I'm actually logged in with my I'm actually logged in with my Microsoft Office 365 account right here, and you can see that it is already logged in by default just like this. And that is how you can download and then install Teams on your desktop, and then start accessing Teams right that from your desktop. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.